Hello and welcome everyone to today's video. So in this video, we have that the assignment for the week is that you should complete the following task and submit on your portal as your assignment for the week, which is to discuss what you understand by Azure AI and detail the steps for building with Azure AI. Also mention and explain 5 AI technologies that you know. Submit a link of the above task in the assignment tab in your dashboard. Sure to grant, view, or comment access to the documents. Accepted documents are PDFs, Google Docs, or Google Slides. So we are going to dive right into solving this assignment in this particular tutorial. So please, what you are going to help me to do is to subscribe to this channel, share out the video to others, so that you're also going to learn. If you like this content, also comment about it in the comment section. Without much further ado, let's get right into solving this particular question. So this assignment is actually divided into two. The first one is to understand Azure AI and steps for building with Azure AI. So what is Azure AI? Azure AI is a suite of artificial intelligence services offered by Microsoft that enable developers and organizations to integrate AI capabilities into applications. It also enhances decision making and automates complex processes. Azure AI includes tools and services like cognitive APIs, machine learning models, and Azure OpenAI, allowing users to create, train, and deploy AI models. It covers various AI areas, including computer vision, natural language processing, decision making, etc. They are very, very vast, right? So some key features of Azure AI are the Azure Cognitive Services, which is a collection of APIs for tasks such as speech recognition, image analysis, translation, and sentiment analysis. We also have Azure ML, which is a cloud-based service for training, deploying, and managing machine learning models at scale. We also have the Azure Bot Service, which is a platform for building conversational AI applications, which are like chatbots that can be integrated with channels like Microsoft Teams, Slack, or other web applications. So we also have Azure OpenAI Service, which provides access to OpenAI's large language models like your ChatGPT, that allows users to integrate conversational AI into their applications. So there are different steps for building with Azure AI. The steps are: 1. You define the project requirements. So you start by identifying the specific needs of your project, such as the type of data to be used, the target audience, and the objectives of the solution. Decide also on the required functionalities of AI, if it is for speech, if it is for image recognition, if it is for predictive modeling, etc. Select the appropriate Azure AI service. So based on your requirements, you choose from the Azure AI services like the cognitive or the pre-built AI or the Azure ML for your custom models. So the third step is to set up an Azure account and create a resource. So you log into the Azure portal, which is portal.azure.com, and create an Azure account. Navigate to the create a resource option and choose the AI service that you intend to use, such as the Azure machine learning or cognitive services. So the fourth stage is data preparation and model training. So you import and clean your data to ensure it is suitable for training. You use Azure Machine Learning Studio to create and manage datasets, configure training pipelines, and train machine learning models, right? The fifth stage is to deploy the AI model for service. So once the machine learning model is trained and evaluated, you can now deploy it to Azure or as a REST API. You use Azure's monitoring tools like your application insight to track the model's performance, error rates, and other critical metrics to ensure that the AI solution functions optimally. Implement version control also and retraining processes to keep the model or service updated with the latest data. So 5 key technologies in AI and their explanations. The first is machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of AI focused on enabling machines to learn from data and improve performance over time without being explicitly programmed. The second one is natural language processing. Natural language processing is a branch of AI that focuses on enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP is used in applications like chatbots, language translation, sentiment analysis, visual assistants, etc. So it involves tasks such as language modeling, part-of-speech tagging, etc., and text classification. So the third one is computer vision. What is computer vision? Computer vision is a field of AI that enables computers to interpret and understand visual information from the world, such as images or videos. So computer vision powers applications like your facial recognition models, object detection, autonomous vehicles, etc. The first one is deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that utilizes neural networks with many layers to model complex data patterns. The fifth is neural networks. A neural network is a computational model inspired by the human brain, consisting of interconnected layers of nodes that processes information. So we call those nodes neurons, right? So these are some machine learning terms that you can actually see on the internet. You can actually browse for more. We have there are a lot of them. We have reinforcement learning. We have bias. We have a lot of machine learning terms, right? So you have the options to choose whichever one you want to use in your particular assignment and submit. So if you actually watch up to this particular point, please do help me subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also share these videos with others so that you can also gain more insight on this. You can also comment about this video on the comment box. If you also have any questions, please do leave them in the comment section and I'll be willing to attend to them. Without much further ado, have a nice day. Thank you.